Hi everyone, I'm Caleb with Sportsland in Salt Lake City, and today we are going to be talking about the Zinger 219RB, a nice big rear bath model in the Zinger Lite series. This trailer comes in just under 5,000 pounds, so really good for all your half-ton trucks, bigger SUVs, vehicles around that nature. This is an aluminum sided unit. Awesome colors to this, white, blues, grays, a really modern touch to the outside as well as the inside, and we'll kind of show those off on the inside and as we walk around here on the outside. To start here, we do have a big nice long awning with LED lighting all underneath that, and that's accented with outside speakers that do have a cool little blue light in those. Great for sitting outside under the awning, under the stars, listening to music, all that good fun stuff. It is backed by Crossroads 3-year limited warranty, structural warranty, which is awesome. It's one of the better ones in the industry. Also the extreme weather package on this, fully heated insulated underbellies for all those early spring, late fall camping trips that you might go on. Moving to the door, you do have the Lippert solid steps, one of my favorites. They're really solid, all adjustable for all kinds of different terrains, uneven surfaces, things like that. The door itself is a friction hinge door. Will withstand up to 25-mile-an-hour winds. One of my nice favorite features also. You don't have to worry about plastic hinges or latches on the outside breaking off. As you can see on the window there, this is internet and Wi-Fi upgradable. You do have to get the routers in that, and then you'll have Wi-Fi inside the camp trailer. Power jacks, you are going to have 4-corner power jacks on this one, which is amazing for setup and tear down. They're really quick, really easy. You don't have to bend over, crank down, bust out the drill. It's already on the trailer for you there. A nice big pass-through storage with a huge entry door going into that pass-through storage. Moving around to the front, a couple of really cool features on this. The first one is going to be this plug right here. That is for solar. You can add suitcase solar panels to that. You can move those around, store them in that big front pass-through storage and have solar. Based on that, you also have, it is prepped for solar on top as well. So if you want to add the permanent solar to it, you have that option as well. It is going to come with 2 5-gallon propane LP tanks. Power tongue jack, again, for setup and tear down. It makes life easier and quicker. Battery disconnects, if we are going to be storing it, or we're going to be leaving it on the mountain, whatever that may be, it does have a battery disconnect. Disconnect those batteries, and then you don't have to worry about those running down. On the opposite side of the trailer here, we do have that other pass-through storage door that leads into that huge, massive underbelly storage. That moves us down to this other side where we're going to have our freshwater fill as well as our city water connection. Freshwater fill is going to be for our boondock camping. You're going to fill those tanks up, which is a 43-gallon freshwater tank, and then 30 and 30 on your black and gray tank. So huge water capacities on this trailer. As well as you have the city water connections for your campgrounds or wherever you may have a direct line of water there. It is a single AC unit, so it is going to have the 30 amp connection. It also is going to have a hot and cold outside shower. So if the kids get muddy, the animals get muddy, you can actually spray them off before they go inside for the night. So here on the back of the trailer, we do have the blank tank flush. One of my favorite features because it actually makes tear down and put away so much easier. You hook your hose directly into that, turn on your water, going to completely flush out that black tank. It's going to hit the sensors, break down all that buildup and flush it completely out. Just makes putting it away that much easier and simpler. Right underneath that, we do have a park cable hookup. So if you go to your campgrounds, your satellite systems, whatever you may have, can tie directly into that and feed the inside of the trailer with your television, satellite, whatever it is that you may have. Towards the top, it is a Furrion camera, backup camera ready. It's all plug and play, so you just purchase that camera, pop that plate off, plug the camera in, put the screen up on your dash of your vehicle, and you do have backup camera ready trailer. Full-size spare tire as well. And again, just moving back to this curb side of it, again, I'm just going to point out the 4-corner power jacks. All 4 corners makes set up, tear down a lot easier, a lot more simple. Let's move to the inside now. Okay guys, starting off in the kitchen area, we do have a big nice kitchen area, lots of counter space. We do have a double stainless steel sink here, which is nice. You put dishes in both sides, have clean water in one, dirty dishes in the other. You do have the pull out sprayer there, which is always nice and convenient. And then again, with all that counter space, you do have a glass top here for the stove, which is a 3-burner stove. Fold that up out of the way. You have your stove, again, fold that back down, and a lot more counter space, a lot more prep space as well. Cabinets above, microwave, the range hood, and then also just some really cool blue LED accent lighting as well. You can't turn that on and off. A nice big oven with more cabinets underneath. So also it is going to come with an 8 cubic gas electric refrigerator, which is really nice because it's going to switch back and forth between the electric or gas depending on how you're hooked up. If you are hooked up to electric, it's going to run off of that to save on gas. If you disconnect from that, it's going to automatically switch over to the gas. So you're running off either or on that. Now to the main part of this trailer is the rear bath. You have a nice big bathroom here. Of course you have the center toilet. Makes for a nice legroom, whatnot. You're going to have sink, cabinets, and a nice big shower in there as well. Coming out of that, we do have the dinette area here. That is going to fold down to a bed. Will sleep 2 smaller children, maybe 1 full-size adult depending, but that will turn into a bed as well. And up above that, you do have a nice big open window, let a bunch of natural light in, and then more cabinets up above that. So towards the front of the trailer here, this couch, it's really nice just for sitting, visiting, and everything else, but this does double as a bed, a jackknife sofa, so just one more place for sleeping. This trailer has a lot of sleeping in it, so really easy to set up, take down, if that's needed. Towards the front here is going to be the main bedroom area, a nice big queen size bed, wardrobe closets on both sides with some shelving, for all your accessories, your phones, tablets, whatever you may have, USBs and 110s to also sit next to the bed to be able to charge that and whatnot. And we do have a curtain here to close off that main bedroom area. So guys, that is the Zinger 219RB. Come down to one of our motorsports locations and check it out. We have 2 locations now, one at 4988 West, 150 South Salt Lake, and also 4001 South State Street in Mill Creek. Come down, check them both out. We have a huge selection of inventory, an awesome sales staff, awesome parts department, and service as well. Come on, check us out, guys.